Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Excel chapter 1 hand on exercise 3 simulation exam. So open the Excel chapter 1. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. Click start and click launch. So total question 6. We move to the question number 1. Click the cell E1 and insert the column to the right of column D. So select the cell E1 and press enter and insert the column D. Right click and click insert and to type the on-site price in cell E4. So select the cell E4 and type on-site price and press enter and in cell E6 create the formula, add the value in cell F6 to D6. Cell E6 type is equal to type the sum function and next F6 to D6. And copy the formula in cell E6, E7 to E12. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is, we move to the question number 2. Click the cell A9 and delete the row. Select the cell A9 and delete the row and insert the new row 9. Right click and click insert and type the professional in cell A9. Cell A9 and type the professional and press enter. Select the cell A9 and apply the board. So question number 2 is complete and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, move to the question number 3. Adjust the width of column A to 25. Select the column A, click and click the column with this 25 and click OK and adjust the row height 1 to 13. Right click, row height is type 30 and click OK and hide the column B. Select the column B, right click and click hide and select the column F, right click and click hide and unhide the column F. Right click and click unhide. So question number 6 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, we move to the question number 4. Insert the new row 4. insert the new row 5, right click and click insert, and select and cut the range A30 to G13. So A30 to G13 and press enter. Click cut and paste in cell A5. Click paste, and A5 undo the action pasting in range 5 and click undo, and select the range A12 to G12 and click cut and paste in cell A5. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, we move to the question number 5. Select and copy the range A9 to G9. So A9 to G9 and click copy and paste it in cell A13 and press escape buttons and select the cell C13, type 425 and D13 is type 525 and press enter. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, we move to the question number 6, A1 to G13 and click copy and paste in cell A16 and paste the formatting and press escape buttons and use the formula bars G5 and G20 by the board. So select the G5 and G20 and click board. So I have done the assignments. Please click OK to submit the assignments, upload and check the score. So you can see the current score is 100% Excel chapter 1 hand-on exercise 3 simulation exam. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.